We recommend your Vela Tango undergoes an annual service to find, for example, defective or worn parts, or poorly tightened bolts. The user should regularly tighten all removable parts. The wing nut or grub screws shown here, securing the brake lever, and the levers or dials on the armrests. These may look different depending on the chair model. The Tango 100 shown here has a lever, but other models might have knobs or dials that need to be tightened. Tighten the main bolts on the underside of the chair which secure the seat pad. The chair shown has only 4, but there may be more on other Tango chair models. Ideally, use a hex driver with a flexible shaft, as some of these bolts can be tricky to access. Also, tighten bolts holding on the armrest bracket. Check that any attachments such as seat belts, neck rests and footrests are fastened well. Also, ensure that the backrest height and depth adjustment levers are tightened. We recommend that the wheels are checked regularly to remove any thread remnants or hairs that might obstruct the free movement. The frame can be cleaned with slightly soapy water, preferably using a pH neutral soap. The upholstery may be cleaned with upholstery cleaners or wiped with a tightly wrung cloth rinsed in clean water. You can use antibacterial cleaner on the armrests and neck rest.